Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Larry Valley. I'm back again to do another tutorial video. So in order to be a good mechanic, in order to be good at anything, in my opinion, you have to know the basics. And so I'm going to be doing a lot of videos from here on out on basic things, even more basic than I already have. This is going to be on oil change. And I'm going to be demonstrating on two different cars. One, a 2019 C300 Mercedes-Benz, and then another Chevy Suburban. Let's go. Alright, so in a shop atmosphere, you're going to have a lift or a rack. At home, you're going to have a jack, so it's very important that you locate the jack points, the lifting points. On this one's right here, right there, right here. So what I'm gonna do is do it on all four sides. This is the last one. Get it right under there. And if you had a jack, you jack it up. Lift the car up. Once you're done lifting the vehicle high enough, you want to set it on some stands. In this case, the lift locking mechanism. So the lift has a locking mechanism. You want to get it high enough to where you can put that underneath. So what that did was set it on the locks. So now you're going to want to take your oil pan, whatever kind of oil pan you have, and set it underneath the vehicle. But for Mercedes, there's going to be, and BMW, a lot of cars now, even GM, there's going to be kick panel, splash panel. So you're going to want to take that off. With this one, it's going to be an 8. Alright, once you get those kick panels out of the way, you can locate the drain plug, which is right here. Okay, the drain plug is out. It's right there. Here's the 13. When you're tightening this back on, you see that? I need that. This is the O-ring that goes around. Now you don't necessarily have to get a new one, but you want to make sure that it's in good condition. It's not all thinned out and disintegrated. Alright guys, so when you're ready to change the filter, it is a canister filter. So go ahead and go get the right one for your vehicle. But on the Mercedes C300, you got to take this off right there with the screwdriver. And then you pop that out right here with the flathead screwdriver. And it comes up like that. And there's the canister filter right there. It's right there. And in order to get that off, we'll be using a bigger size socket. Gotta go get it. So guys, in order to take this off, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. You pop that off right here. Pop this out from here, which will expose the canister filter, which is going to be, I believe, a 27 shallow socket. Here's the canister filter. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. Let's get on to the next one now.